In today's video I'll show you how to turn on dark mode on X or Twitter in the mobile app. Let's get into the method. First we'll try changing this in the app settings. If when we get to it the option isn't there, I'll also include a second method to turn on dark mode. Open the X app and then tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now choose Settings and Privacy from the list. On Android you might need to tap on Settings and Support first and then Settings and Privacy. Within the settings, tap on the option called Accessibility, Display and Languages. Now choose Display and the option to turn on dark mode should be at the top of this page. Set it to night or the relevant dark mode option to turn it on. If you don't see the option here, try searching for dark or night on the homepage of the settings in X, and if that shows nothing, it means we need to change our device's own dark mode setting. Open your main device settings app and then choose the display option from the homepage. On iPhone it's called Display and Brightness, and on Android it might mention Display. For example, it could be called Display and Touch. On here look for the dark mode option. On iPhone it might be at the top and you can toggle it on here. On Android look for dark mode or dark theme on the list and either turn it on or tap on it to turn it on. Open the X app and it should now be set to dark mode. Close and reopen the app if it hasn't updated. That's how to turn on dark mode on X or Twitter in the mobile app. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.